done to you. Nothing to you, girl. Shut up.
Oh, I almost died.
Kumar, Kumar, Kumar. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Trying again. Okay, why does he look like that? I moved! Why didn't you get... Shunker, shunker. Shunker, shunker. Shunker, shunker. Shunker, shunker. Almost got my highest score.
Let me do it.
Okay.
What do I
My
do?
atas... No, you gotta...
What?
Oh, you gotta get a high star. Woo!
What's your highest score?
100. I got like 100 there. And my ate is playing this. Oh. Hey, you got a high... No,
Tangin na kasi, nanonood eh. Marlo ka.
hello, babarige.
Kung ako may aeroplano.
Okay, be right back because I'm gonna grind on this. Okay, I had like a 100 here and died. Oh, hello, hey. Wait, I'm gonna lock on. We're not gonna talk for a while, so you just enjoy it.
Staring at Dom's photo. He was totally mesmerized by her stunning looks. But Carl had no intention of giving up that easily. To her heart, Carl gave it to her pink outfit. Dom rejected him and brushed him off completely. Meanwhile, the principal found out.
I'm kinda... Okay, I'm gonna reach a high score. Yes. My goal is finally finished. Oh, hi. Be right back. I'm gonna try to get to 100. This is my high record. I'm gonna die on purpose again. Hello, yeah.